How to integrate Microsoft Word with other Google services. Now, there are various ways on how you can integrate your Microsoft Word into a Google service. The first one being is on the sign in page. So click the sign in button from the top left of the Microsoft Word app. Here you can simply have a Microsoft account that is linked to your Google account. So you can log in using your Microsoft Google account in this case, which means that your Microsoft account must be created using your Google account. That is the first instance where you can use this. The second instance is, let's say if I have a certain file. Now I'll just go ahead and then I'll just enable whatever is necessary here. And once I have a certain file over here, let's say I save this file. So I go to the file option from the top left and then I go to save as. What I can do is I can choose to save it as a docs file, which is a Google Docs, which means Google Docs is also editable. So if you select Word document .docx, then this type of file is editable within Google Docs as well. So let's say I save this somewhere in Documents folder and click the save option. Now I'll just go ahead and then I'll open up my Google Docs on docs.google.com. As you can see the URL over here. Now I can just go ahead and then select a blank document. Once I'm here, I can just click on the files option from the top left. I can click on open, and when I click on open, I can simply select the file that I had saved earlier by going to upload, clicking on the browse option, and from here I can go to the folder where I saved it. And there I can simply open up that file and I can import this file onto Google Docs, and not only in Word, but this will also be editable within the Google Docs as well. And now you can see everything is exactly like we had in the Microsoft Word app, and it is still editable like on Microsoft Word and same on Google Docs. So these are a couple of instances on where you can link a Google service onto Microsoft Word. And I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.